Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can get a QR code for your Instagram post. At first select on the post that you want to and then copy the link. From there go to Google and search for free QR code generator. From there tap on this first link QRFY and then it will ask you to log you in. If you're already not logged in, I'm logged in so it's not gonna ask me. From there you have to click on this plus button here. It's a URL, so you have to tap on website and then next, and then put the copied link here and then put password or whatever you want. If you want to, you can also change the name of your QR code and then tap on next, and then they will give you a bunch of options to choose. Suppose I'm gonna choose this one, and then in the text you can put whatever you want to. Suppose I'll put Harry photo and then use whatever color or gradient, anything you want, and then the QR code style. Suppose I'll choose this one, and from there there's just a bunch of other options. For now I'm gonna skip all of them and then click on next, and there you go, your QR code has automatically been generated. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.